Round 40.
Alright guys, here we go. We're doing the warm-up today. Warm-up, we do the same warm-up every time. You know it just helps you slide and turn around so easily. Alright, start rolling those shoulders here. Here. Nice. Get into those legs. Core tight. Yeah. You got it. Double bump. Here we go. Jab. Strong. Nice. Double jab. Long punches. Nice. Double bob. Cross. Turn those hips. Double cross. Hey. Double cross. Nice. Double bob. Hook. Nice and strong. Double hook. Yeah. 2. Turn those hips. Hold tight. Double bob. Uppercut. Nice. Up, out, and away. Strong. Double up. Core tight. Nice. That's right. March 3 knee. March. Squeeze. So when you bring that knee up, you're bringing the hip to the rib. Warming up that core. You got it. Strong. Woo. Single knees. Breathe. Nice. Yeah. You got it. You're strong. Everything's getting started. Warming up. Left leg only. Reach. Squeeze. Switch. Switch. And switch. Hold it up, please. Kick it out. Circumduction. So you're just loosening up your shoulder. Keep it fluid moving. There you go. Hold it down. Don't look at that knee. And a nice long stretch of that leg. Yeah. Reach and pull. Reach. Pull. Pull down through the legs. Show me those biceps. Have you been strength trained? Good for you. Hey. 4, 3, speed back. Brush the toe. Again, speed back. Brush the toe. Up in. Alright. So I should warn you. I always warn my classes. I teach a dancing class. Hold it down. You don't have to dance if you don't want to, but it's fun. Put that towel down. Jump rope or dance it out. You can jump here if you want, but if you come to my class, I'm for dancing. Hug. To your left. Reach. Pull. Reach. Reach. Hey. 2 and 2. 2. 2. 2. Hold it left. Hold. Stretch out those hips. Stretch. Nice. So now we have the exact same thing on the other side. The same exact choreography. Here we go. March, 3 knee. March. Squeeze. Through the hip. Warm up that core. Squeeze. Nice. You got it. Single knees. Smile. You burn more calories when you're smiling. Yeah. Squeeze. Squeeze. Right leg only. Squeeze. Squeeze. Yeah. And switch. You got it. Strong. Switch. Switch. Hold it up. Kick it out. Circumduction. Around. Around. Again. Get everything moving through the shoulders. Nice. Hold it down, please. Hold. Nice long stretch of that leg. Getting everything ready to go. Reach and pull up. Here we go. Reach. Pull. That's right. Welcome to the gun show. Ha. Be back. Brush that toe. Again. You can do the bird if you want. Again. Squeeze. And down. Last time. Put that toe. Hold it down. Put that toe down. Jump rope or dance it out. You know what I'm going to do. Here we go. Pump. Burn stress and calories. Reach and pull. Nice. Strong. 2 and 2. Yeah. You got it. Hold it. Hold. Nice. Now go ahead and stretch out those hips over here. Here we go. Stretch. Nice. Stretch. You got it. All right. Jump rope. So that's your basic turbo warm-up. When you know that warm-up, you can go in. Like I said, you can feel strong. We're all going to do some kind of variation of that. Every perfect instructor has their own style, their own feel, but this is your basic idea. So guys, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm going to have some more turbo videos coming to you, also some more plyo videos coming to you guys soon. So hope you enjoyed.